Ready na talaga ako sumabak at mag-try out ng foundation nila. So, as you can see, I have acne marks here. Meron din dito. Kaya nag-gravitate towards medium to high coverage foundations talaga ako so that I can cover my blemishes. I think for my base foundation, yung gagamitin ko is yung golden or yung wheat. I'm not sure kung alin dito yung perfect na shades for me, so I'm gonna try out both of them. And of course, to brighten up and to contour my face, I'm gonna be using the shade Linen to brighten up my face, and then yung shade naman na Cacao to contour my face. So, this is my look for today. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung lapat ng foundation on my skin. So, if you're looking for a good foundation na makapag-cover ng blemishes, hindi na kailangan ng added concealer kasi full coverage na siya, then this foundation is for you.